Tara whānau. My name is John Junior Panatahi Firmin. And with COVID-19 on the rise, I'm going to teach you about sneezing and coughing. Did you just say the plane was dumb?
Yeah, because it's making too much noise for us.
Oh yeah, the dumb plane. Coughing and sneezing, we all do it, but here's something that you can do to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Whānau, when you cough into your hands, it catches your droplets. And when you touch something else, it spreads onto that. What should you do? Well, whānau, you should start coughing and sneezing into your elbow like this. Coughing into your elbow means it's not on your hands and reduces the spread of COVID-19. Pikiti ora whānau!